High in the Italian Alps, entombed within ice for millennia, lies a remarkable time traveler, Ötzi the Iceman. Discovered in 1991, Ötzi provided an unprecedented glimpse into the lives of our Copper Age ancestors. His remarkably preserved body, clothing and tools offered a treasure trove of information, painting a vivid picture of life in Europe over 5,000 years ago. But recent scientific advancements, particularly in the field of ancient DNA, have brought forth startling revelations, challenging our very understanding of Ötzi's appearance and ancestry. Ötzi's discovery was a monumental event in the world of archaeology and anthropology. For the first time, scientists had access to a perfectly preserved human body from such a distant past. His remains, frozen in time, offered a unique opportunity to study the Copper Age in Europe, providing insights into the diet, clothing, tools and social customs of our ancient ancestors. However, initial assumptions about Ötzi's physical appearance, based largely on his mummified remains, have been dramatically overturned by recent genetic analysis, giving us a new perspective on this iconic figure. The latest research, utilizing advanced DNA sequencing techniques, has unveiled a side of Ötzi that was previously hidden beneath the ice. These findings have not only challenged our preconceived notions about Ötzi, but have also shed light on broader patterns of human migration and genetic diversity in ancient Europe. Prior to the advent of advanced genetic analysis, our understanding of Ötzi's appearance was based largely on visual interpretations of his mummified remains. These interpretations, influenced by existing assumptions about early Europeans, depicted Ötzi as having light skin, brown hair and a full beard. This image of the Iceman became ingrained in popular culture, shaping our collective imagination of this enigmatic figure from the past. The discovery of Ötzi sparked immense curiosity and speculation about what he might have looked like in life. Artists and scientists alike attempted to recreate his appearance, relying on the limited information available at the time. These early reconstructions, while undoubtedly fascinating, were ultimately limited by the scientific understanding and biases of the time, leading to an image of Ötzi that we now know to be inaccurate. However, the latest genetic analysis has revealed a starkly different picture. These groundbreaking findings indicate that Ötzi had much darker skin pigmentation than previously thought, closer to that of modern-day people of North African or Middle Eastern descent. This revelation challenges the long-held belief that early Europeans were predominantly light-skinned and highlights the complex interplay of genetics, migration and adaptation in shaping human skin color. The discovery of Ötzi's true skin color serves as a reminder that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving as new technologies and methodologies emerge. It underscores the importance of approaching historical evidence with a critical eye and remaining open to the possibility that our assumptions may be challenged as our knowledge base expands. The Iceman, once a symbol of a particular image of ancient Europe, now stands as a testament to the incredible diversity of our species and the ever-evolving nature of scientific discovery. The ability to extract and analyze ancient DNA has revolutionized our understanding of the past, allowing us to peer directly into the genetic makeup of long-gone individuals like Ötzi. This revolutionary technology has provided unprecedented insights into human evolution, migration patterns, and the spread of various traits across different populations over time. In the case of Ötzi, it has unveiled a genetic heritage that was previously hidden from view. The extraction of DNA from Ötzi's remains, a feat considered impossible just a few decades ago, opened up a new chapter in our understanding of the Iceman. By analyzing his genes, scientists have been able to piece together a detailed portrait of his ancestry, revealing connections to populations that were previously unknown or underestimated. This genetic data provides a level of detail that traditional archaeological methods simply cannot match. One of the most striking discoveries to emerge from Ötzi's DNA analysis was the revelation of his dark skin pigmentation. The genes responsible for melanin production, the pigment that determines skin color, indicated that Ötzi had significantly darker skin than previously believed. This finding challenges the traditional view of early Europeans as predominantly light-skinned and suggests a more complex and nuanced picture of human diversity in the past. Furthermore, the analysis of Ötzi's DNA revealed a surprising lack of genetic markers associated with European populations that would later migrate into the region. This suggests that Ötzi belonged to a more isolated population, one that had not yet intermingled significantly with these later arrivals. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of European prehistory, challenging existing models of migration and settlement patterns. The revelation of Ötzi's dark skin pigmentation has sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond, prompting a reassessment of our understanding of early European populations. For decades, the prevailing assumption was that early Europeans were predominantly light-skinned, an adaptation thought to be driven by the lower levels of sunlight and the need to synthesize vitamin D in higher latitudes. Ötzi's dark skin, however, challenges this long-held assumption. It suggests that the story of skin pigmentation in Europe is far more complex than previously thought, influenced by a multitude of factors including genetics, migration, and environmental adaptation over time. The presence of dark-skinned individuals in Europe during the Copper Age indicates that the continent was more genetically diverse than previously assumed. This discovery highlights the limitations of relying solely on skeletal remains to infer physical characteristics like skin color. Bone structure and the presence of certain skeletal features can provide clues about an individual's ancestry and potential physical traits. However, without the ability to analyze soft tissues and genetic material, these inferences can be misleading. Ötzi's dark skin serves as a powerful reminder that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. As new technologies emerge and our ability to analyze ancient remains improves, we can expect to uncover further surprises that challenge our preconceived notions and paint a more nuanced picture of human history. The Iceman, frozen in time for millennia, continues to reveal secrets that force us to re-examine our understanding of the past. Adding another layer of intrigue to Ötzi's already fascinating story is the discovery that he may have had little to no body hair. This revelation, based on the analysis of his genes, challenges another long-held assumption about our ancient ancestors. It was commonly believed that early humans, particularly those living in colder climates, would have had significant body hair for insulation. However, Ötzi's genetic makeup suggests that he may have been prone to male pattern baldness, a condition that typically results in hair loss on the scalp and other parts of the body. This finding, while surprising, is not entirely implausible. Humans, unlike most other mammals, rely primarily on clothing and other forms of shelter for insulation, making body hair less critical for survival. Furthermore, the lack of body hair could have been advantageous for early humans in certain ways. It would have made them less susceptible to parasites, which could have been a significant health concern in the past. Additionally, it may have aided in thermoregulation, allowing for more efficient cooling during periods of exertion. The possibility that Ötzi was hairless adds another dimension to our understanding of human adaptation and evolution. It suggests that the loss of body hair, a trait that distinguishes humans from other primates, may have occurred earlier than previously thought and may have been driven by a combination of factors including environmental pressures, genetic predisposition, and cultural practices. Delving into Ötzi's genetic code has unveiled fascinating details about his ancestry, revealing connections to a region far from his final resting place in the Italian Alps. The analysis of his DNA suggests that Ötzi's ancestors likely originated from Anatolia, a region located in present-day Turkey, thousands of years before his time. This finding provides crucial evidence for understanding ancient migration patterns and the spread of agriculture throughout Europe. Anatolia is considered one of the early cradles of agriculture, where humans first transitioned from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to one based on farming and settled communities. This revolutionary shift in human history, known as the Neolithic Revolution, had profound implications for the development of civilization. The genetic link between Ötzi and Anatolian populations suggests that his ancestors were part of this transformative period. The movement of people from Anatolia into Europe during the Neolithic period played a significant role in shaping the genetic makeup of present-day Europeans. These early farmers brought with them not only new agricultural practices, but also their genes, which spread throughout the continent as they intermingled with existing hunter-gatherer populations. Ötzi's Anatolian ancestry provides tangible evidence for this ancient migration, offering a glimpse into the interconnectedness of human populations even in the distant past. His DNA serves as a genetic time capsule, carrying within it the echoes of ancient journeys and the intermingling of cultures that have shaped the human story. While Ötzi's DNA has revealed fascinating connections to Anatolian populations, it has also presented a perplexing anomaly. His genetic makeup lacks a significant component that is characteristic of many other European populations: the genetic signature of the Yamnaya people, nomadic pastoralists who migrated from the Eurasian steppe into Europe during the late Neolithic and early Bronze Age. The Yamnaya people, known for their mastery of horses and wheeled vehicles, are thought to have had a profound impact on Europe, introducing new technologies, languages, and cultural practices. Their genetic legacy is widespread among modern-day Europeans, but it is conspicuously absent in Ötzi's DNA. This absence suggests that Ötzi belonged to a population that had remained relatively isolated, at least genetically, from the influx of Yamnaya genes that would later sweep across much of Europe. It indicates that the spread of Yamnaya genes was not a homogeneous process, but rather a complex and gradual one, with some populations remaining more genetically distinct than others. The absence of significant steppe ancestry in Ötzi's DNA challenges existing models of European prehistory, suggesting a more nuanced and complex picture of migration and genetic admixture than previously thought. It highlights the importance of considering regional variations and the persistence of distinct genetic lineages, even in the face of large-scale migrations. Ötzi's genetic revelations have had a profound impact on our understanding of European prehistory, prompting a reassessment of long-held beliefs about ancient migrations and the peopling of the continent. His DNA, a time capsule from the Copper Age, provides tangible evidence to support and refine existing theories, while simultaneously challenging others. The discovery of Ötzi's Anatolian ancestry aligns with the theory that agriculture spread into Europe through the migration of farmers from the Near East, bringing with them new technologies and ways of life. This migration, however, was not a single event, but rather a gradual process that unfolded over centuries, involving multiple waves of movement and cultural exchange. Furthermore, the absence of significant steppe ancestry in Ötzi's DNA suggests that the impact of Yamnaya migrations on Europe was not uniform. It indicates that some populations, like Ötzi's, remained relatively isolated genetically, preserving their unique ancestries for centuries. These findings paint a more complex and nuanced picture of European prehistory than previously envisioned. They highlight the importance of considering regional variations, the persistence of distinct genetic lineages, and the dynamic interplay of migration, admixture, and cultural exchange in shaping the genetic makeup of Europe. Ötzi the Iceman, a silent sentinel from the distant past, continues to captivate our imaginations and challenge our understanding of human history. His remarkably preserved remains, frozen in time for over 5 millennia, offer an unparalleled glimpse into the lives of our Copper Age ancestors. Yet it is the secrets hidden within his DNA that have truly revolutionized our understanding of Ötzi and his place in the grand narrative of human evolution. The revelation of Ötzi's dark skin pigmentation, his potential lack of body hair, and his Anatolian roots have shattered previous assumptions about early Europeans, painting a more nuanced and complex picture of our collective past. His genetic story challenges the notion of a homogeneous Europe, revealing a continent shaped by multiple waves of migration, cultural exchange, and genetic admixture. Ötzi's DNA serves as a powerful reminder that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. As new technologies emerge and our ability to analyze ancient remains improves, we can expect to uncover further surprises that force us to re-examine our preconceived notions and embrace a more nuanced and inclusive view of human history. The Iceman, a solitary figure frozen in time, has become a symbol of the interconnectedness of humanity, a testament to the enduring power of scientific inquiry, and a reminder that the past is never truly past. His story, etched in ice and revealed through the lens of modern science, continues to inspire awe, spark curiosity, and challenge us to broaden our understanding of who we are and where we come from.